Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mitch and I make videos about pretty much credit. So I'm pretty knowledgeable when it comes to subjects. So whether it's you have any questions about credit repair, credit hacks, manufacturer spending, anything that falls under the category of credit, trust me, I'll pretty much know the answer to your question. But anyways, in this video, I wanted to speak about and give my honest opinion and I guess my honest review about the Learn Plan Profit course. Alright guys, so first things first, I do want to point out, well, two things that I want to point out. One is that I do have an affiliated link with, the Learn Plan Profit course, but I am not. Again, I am not included in the course because I do not want that to influence your decision or I don't want that to influence my opinion or my review on the Learn Plan Profit course. Number two, I want to point out straight, right off the bat is, I don't know, in case anybody's curious, I don't know who Ricky Gutierrez is at all. She's just a guy I stumbled upon and I bought his course and I liked it. And I'm gonna give you guys his my honest opinion. So two things that I did like from Ricky is that he's very thorough and he goes by step. Like literally everything is structured very efficiently in my opinion. Like it goes from A, B, C, like everything. He doesn't just go from C to like H and he goes A, B, like it's all in order and I really like that. The video itself, the course itself is about 7 to 8 hours long. I'm gonna tell you guys right off the bat, at least to me, I'm a visual learner and I guess me being dyslexic kind of makes it difficult for me to learn, but I honestly watched this course maybe 2 to 3 times because I just kept forgetting what I kept rewatching. But a lot of it and another thing that I do want to point out is that or I don't know if his name is Ricardo, I don't know, Ricky Gutierrez, he makes a lot of videos about the mindset of trading, and I think that's a very good section that he included in this course, because a lot of people, and I've seen a lot of other people's courses, they don't really talk about the mindset, and he really puts a lot of effort into changing your mindset when it comes to trading. And I think that's really good. He doesn't just show you what to do and expect you to guys to do what to invest in the stock market. He actually makes you understand your mindset and what to do, what not to do. Like honestly, he learned from his mistakes that he's included in the course. Again, like look, he puts a. Alright guys, so two things that I want to point out before I exit this video is that, again, if you guys are interested in learning how to invest, oh my god, I sound like a salesman. But if you guys are truly interested in learning how to invest in the stock market, I truly recommend his course. I honestly would wait. I honestly didn't pay the $300. I think he had like a sale. I think it was, I don't know, it was like $75 off. And when I saw that $75 off, I bought it. So I personally think it's worth more than $300. But on top of that, he always throws out a sale every other day or once a week, especially on a major holiday. He'll throw out a sale, and I feel like that's the moment that you should wait. Like he says, wait for a good deal. Well, wait for a good deal and buy his course when he throws out a discount or whatever. And if you miss his sale, honestly, don't worry. He's always throwing freaking sales. So that's a really good thing about him. Again, guys, if you're a beginner and you're looking for a course that's going to teach you how to invest in the stock market, this course is the one, in my opinion. Again, the only thing that I can complain about is that his volume sucked, or either his volume sucked. Again, what I mean by that is that some of his videos, his volume was really low, or just means that I'm an old man. Well, I'm not old, I'm 29, but just means that I'm deaf already at 29, and I was having a hard time hearing his videos. But again, there's a solution for that. Me was connecting my Bluetooth to my laptop, and boom, I was fine. It was good to go. So again, guys, he's very thorough. Half of his course is how to invest in the stock market, and half of his course is changing your mindset and what to expect, and realistic and setting you realistic goals and in a realistic plan in order for you to grow your account. So again, guys, I hope you guys, I guess, liked my review. I don't know, this is my first time ever making my review, but a lot of people kept asking me, and I felt like I was repeating myself constantly. So I figured, you know what? I'm just gonna make a video and just just send people to my YouTube video, I guess, because I was just tired of repeating myself over and over. When I just kept giving a review of the Learn Plan Profit to my friends and my family. So I hope this minimizes my time of having to sound like a parrot, in my opinion. But anyways, I hope you guys, if you guys are interested in learning how to invest in the stock market, feel free to purchase this course. Again, guys, I'm not connected with him and whatsoever. I'm not even including my affiliate link because I want you guys to take this video, take my honest opinion of his course into consideration if you're gonna purchase this course. Again, let me just scroll to the top just so you guys can see what to expect. Again, guys, it's 7 to 8 hours, and yeah, charts and studies, teaches you how to set up hotkeys. He goes into depth on swing trading. Let me exit this out. ETFs. He mainly day trades ETFs, UGAs and DGAs if you guys are curious. He teaches you pretty much everything. So I think it's not pretty much everything, but everything. I think it's a very good course, guys. Go hit him up or buy his course or whatever, and let me know if you actually liked it yourself. So my name is Mitch, guys. I'm more knowledgeable when it comes to credit. So if you guys have any questions when it comes to credit, please feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'm more active there. That's why I say Instagram. But yeah, if you don't care about credit, don't message me. But alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this honest review or opinion of mine, and have a good day. Hope you guys enjoy.